Hey darlings, welcome back. We are back at it with our 1 minute, 1 tip series. Today we're going to talk about the importance of setting sprays. Now, you should be using setting sprays for your makeup, especially when you want your makeup to stay in place and you want your makeup to last throughout the day and night, okay? After I finish my makeup application, I always make sure that I use my MAC Studio Fix Prep and Prime spray. I will use that spray, and then I want, all of my makeup products to melt down into my skin. And after I spray the Prep and Prime spray, I will use my damp beauty blender and I will press it into the skin. You want to make sure everything is nice and even, that you don't have any harsh lines, okay? After that, I will go in with my setting spray to seal everything down so that everything is locked in and my makeup will not move. That's the importance of setting sprays. So make sure that you like this video, give me a like, make sure you share, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I hope that these tips help you all with your makeup applications. And until next time, take care, darlings. Bye.